A very warm good morning to all my grade 3 students. I hope all of you are healthy and safe. Children, today we are going to start our new chapter, that is sound. Children, we hear many sounds around us. We hear these sounds with the help of our ears. In this chapter, let us find out more about how sound is made and the types of sound. Learning outcomes. In this module, children will be able to understand how sound is produced. Children will be able to understand different types of sound. They also will be able to understand difference between music and noise. Children also will be able to understand about various kinds of musical instruments. What is sound? We mostly communicate with each other by talking and listening. When people speak to us, the sound they make takes some time to reach us. This is because it has to travel through air. It travels in the form of waves. Imagine the ripples created on the surface of water in a pond when one throws a stone on it. Sound waves are similar to these ripples. As you see in this picture, children, many things around us are capable of producing sound. Let us see how. Vibrations make sound. Sound is produced when anything vibrates. All objects produce sound when they vibrate. When objects stop vibrating, the sound produced by them also stops. Example, if you twang a ruler over the edge of a table, it vibrates and produces sound. However, after some time, the vibrations die out, and so does the sound also. Different objects make different vibrations when they are hit. For example, the sound produced when you hit the surface of a drum. As you see in this picture, a boy is hitting constantly on a drum. Then it will be different from the sound produced when you pluck the strings of a guitar or sing. The harder you hit on the surface of the drum, the more vibrations are produced. In our body also, the voice box or the larynx means children, our neck, helps us to make sound. Children, we hear different types of sounds surrounding us, like chirping of the birds and running vehicles, sound of the machines, and etc. So, how do we hear? This is our next subtopic. How do we hear? We hear sound with the help of our ears. Our ability to hear is a truly gift. Some people don't have the ability to hear from birth. In some cases, this condition is permanent, whilst in some it is temporary. Instruments known as hearing aids are available for those who have difficulty in hearing. Different types of sound. Different sounds are produced all around us. People clap and sing for a birthday party. The sounds produced here are natural. The sound of wind, rain, snow, and thunder are some other natural noises. The sound of the school bell ringing is an artificial sound. Some sounds are soft, like the doctor and the nurse speaking. Some sounds are loud also, like the roar of the tiger. Some sounds are pleasant and soft. music is a pleasant sound. Whether some sounds are loud and unpleasant. The sounds of vehicles honking in a traffic jam are unpleasant sound. Music and noise. As we know that vibrating objects produce sound waves. When vibrations are produced in a regular pattern, the sound produced is pleasant and soothing to our ears. This is music. When the vibrations are irregular in pattern, the resulting sound can be unpleasant to our ears. This is noise. Imagine children, everyone in your class starts speaking loudly at the same time or too many crackers bursting at the same time. It can become very noisy. Too much noise is not good for our health, and also we don't like unpleasant sounds, right? Now we will talk about some musical instruments. Most of us must have listened to music at some point in our life. Musical instruments help to produce music. We can classify musical instruments into string instruments, wind instruments, and percussion instruments. First, we will discuss about string instruments. Guitar, sitar, violin and piano are examples of string instruments. String instruments produce sound when the stretched strings vibrate. For example, when we pluck the strings of a sitar, it generates vibrations which create sound. Anushka Shankar, the daughter of late Pandit Ravi Shankar, is a renowned sitar player. Now we will discuss about wind and percussion instruments. Flute, shehnai and clarinet are examples of wind instruments. In wind instruments, the vibration of the air in the tube of the instrument produces sound. For example, when we blow air into the mouthpiece of a flute, the air column inside the flute vibrates to produce sound. Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia is one of the most accomplished Indian flutists. Now, percussion instruments. It includes a large group of instruments that produce sound by being struck, shaken, scraped or clashed together. For example, cymbals, tabla and drums are percussion instruments. Zakir Hussain is a well-renowned tabla player from India. Let's revise children what we understood in this chapter. We understood that sound is produced when objects vibrate. Sound travels in the form of waves. Sound can either be natural or artificial. The sounds that animals and humans make are natural sounds. The sound produced when any musical instrument is played is artificial. Musicians make use of string instruments, wind instruments or percussion instruments to make beautiful music. So, I will conclude this chapter here. This is all we have in it. So, children, read this chapter once or twice and go through the video whenever you have any doubt. Till then, thank you all. Take care.